National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Mobius City in northern Utah, southern Tuella County in northern Utah, northern Salt Lake County in northern Utah, southwestern Uinta County in northern Wyoming, northern Lewis and Clark County in northern Montana, until 7 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 6:55 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Grantsville, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, green and orange lightning and 40 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, sidings, and vehicles is likely. Locations impacted include Rose Suburbia, Station Square, Helena, Helena Valley Southeast, Helena Valley West Central, Helena Valley Northeast, Wolf Creek, Helena Valley Northwest, Helena West Side, East Helena, Lincoln, Augusta, Grantsville, Emerald Beach, Salt Lake City, and Magna. This includes the following highways: Interstate 10 in Utah between mile markers 103 and 117. Interstate 215 in Utah between mile markers 677 and 574. Interstate 15 in Utah between mile markers 11 and 44. Interstate 15 in Montana between mile markers 198 and 203. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.